The DAT program at Moravian University attracts students from across the country and around the world. And so we're trying to take organization leaders and build on their experiences, as well as take individuals who want to become more engaged with the profession and give them the skills to be successful.
Our DAT program is really designed for working clinicians. So we're extremely flexible, not only with our admissions. We admit 3 times a year, fall, spring, and summer. So basically whenever you're ready to start, we're ready for you to come join us. We also both have full and part-time enrollment, and students can easily move back and forth between full-time and part-time as their clinical or personal or professional life requires.
The Doctorate of Athletic Training program here at Moravian University is unique because of the structure of it and being fully online, almost all asynchronous, and then the 1 week in the summer where we do the Summer Institute.
The DAT Summer Institute is an opportunity for students all across the country and actually all across the world to come to Bethlehem, Pennsylvania and engage in a 1 week long, intensive, hands-on Summer Institute with not only their classmates, but with faculty, and work on all the content that they've done in a virtual environment over the past academic year.
The faculty, the structure, the content of the courses, the students make it unique. We have fantastic students from all different settings, not just a traditional athletic training setting, but in industry, military, everything you can think of coming in and bringing their knowledge and their experiences into this program that really help shape the way the program grows.
I think one of the really benefits for students during the Summer Institute is to take the relationships that they've developed with their peers and with their faculty in the online environment and to expand upon those when we're together face to face. I also think it gives them a chance to meet the faculty, spend time with the faculty here, increase the depth of their knowledge through one-on-one interaction with faculty and being able to ask questions and get additional hands-on education from the faculty.
During the Summer Institute, we do a ton of really interesting and exciting activities that you probably wouldn't get to do in your everyday life. And students end the week and end their time at the DAT Summer Institute as certified mental health first aiders.
The biggest benefit of the Summer Institute here at Moravian University, hands down, is the networking and getting to interact with the other students. That's the best thing for me as a faculty member, is seeing them in person, talking to them, learning from their experiences. They learn from each other. It's the networking, it's the talking, it's the student experience and getting together in person.
Our primary goal when we started the DAT program was to create clinical experts and future leaders within the profession. I think we've well on our way to doing that. I think that's been a goal that's been accomplished. And so what I hope to see is students continuing to develop and the program continuing to develop as the athletic training profession continues to grow. So I would expect that we'll continue to expand our offerings into new areas as the profession morphs and moves into different directions. And I think what we'll see is our graduates become the future leaders of the National Athletic Trainers Association, the districts, the state associations, and they'll become the leaders of the profession to take it into the new direction.